Hi, it's time to talk about how to use Log4J XML file. Last, our package for Java file, copy it. I'm going to paste it and rename it. This time it's gonna be Log4J XML log. Call it. I'm going to change this one as XML logger, a variable name. I'll exchange it. Then I'll switch places. And this is good enough. Using XML file. Copy paste. Save the file. And now we need to create under resources folder source test resources, same type of file as for properties but for XML. First of all, under resources we need to create new simple file and we call it log4j2 XML. Looks fine. Now we need to find an XML file example. If you go online and search for log4j2.xml file, sample, example, whatever, you're gonna find a number of the example. This one for Java is recommended. Click on it. And here it is, log4j2 XML configuration with example. 2023, good. Log4j2 dependencies, as you can see in Maven. That's what we added already, Log4j API, Log4j core. Then, next one, console appender, login to console. This is the log4j2.xml file example. And next one, rolling file appender, login to file. This one, you need to copy it. And let's go back to Eclipse. Here, we paste it. And we need to modify a number of things. First of all, we want our test results to be logged to logs, previously created logs folder. So right here, delete. File, save. Secondly, appender section. Going backwards, we need to change the package name. And the package name is this one. Okay, I changed it. Now we need to change the file name itself. Go up here, and here in appenders, rolling name, file logger. Here's the file name .log. Let's call it XML log.log. Here it is. Now I'll copy for better view. Let me save it first. I'll copy and let's see it in the notepad. Now I'm in the notepad, and for better view, I'll put it here. So in the loggers, I change the name, logger name, package name. Everything else is fine. Going backwards, then I changed in the appenders, we changed the file name as XML log.log. Secondly, we changed the property name in properties here. Properties. So properties name was changed to logs folder. In appender section, we changed the file name here. I want to call it XML log, or even XML with underscore log. Okay. Then in the loggers section, we changed the name of the package. Now I'm returning back. I'll changing here. And looks like everything is ready. It is absolutely same. It should be same as previous .properties file. As you can see in loggers file name, your package name. It should be debug. Or let's say trace. Let me check this. Level, I want debug. Debug. I'll change it back to trace. Okay, I'll change it back to debug. And I'll change here to debug. Okay. File, save. Let me bring it to Notepad for better view. I'll paste it. Okay, so I want here in loggers section root level debug, another level debug. Okay. Then new file in appender section, new file name and property to logs folder. Okay. Now saved. We don't need this one. We don't need this one. And now we need to, when execution will go to resource folder, first file is log4j to properties. So so the system, the execution system, is gonna be using this one instead of log4j XML. So only for now, I will refactor it and rename. I'll provide artificial name 123. So the system should go to log4j2.xml. I'm going to refresh it. And I'm going to run it. Well, let's better go to run. Let's see the console first. Console is fine. Okay. Now, at logs, I need to refresh it. Okay. Once again, refresh. Okay, here it is. XML log.log. Okay. This is it. So you can run log4j. Once again, let's see. Log4j to console. Log4j through property files. Log4j using XML files. Here is property log. Sorry, not property log. Properties. I'll rename it back. I'll give it back the name. Okay, so log4j2 properties file and log4j2 XML file. Now to sum up, Log4j login development system is designed specifically for developers and for automation testers. So unless you are 100% in automation or development team, it is really optional, up to you if you're gonna be using it. That's it. Thank you. See you in the next lectures.